Ever wondered if werewolves are more than just horror legends? Today, we dive deep into the origins, myths, and science behind the mysterious werewolf. A werewolf is a mythical creature, half human, half wolf, who transforms, often during a full moon. This transformation is known as lycanthropy. Werewolf legends go back to ancient Greece, Rome, and Norse mythology. In medieval Europe, they were tied to witch hunts and fear of the supernatural. Some believe people became werewolves through curses or bites. Werewolves are usually described as super strong, fast, and nearly invincible, except for one weakness: silver. That's why silver bullets became a famous werewolf killing tool. While werewolves aren't real, some medical conditions like hypertrichosis, excess hair growth, or psychological lycanthropy have fueled werewolf stories in history. Whether you see them as cursed beasts or heroic shapeshifters, werewolves continue to capture our imaginations. Do you believe in them? Let us know in the comments.